Hello guys, it's Cody. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to merge photos side by side or vertically. So first, you just need to get this free app. It's called PicMerger. Just download it from App Store for free.
A few moments later.
Well, let's just open this app. We'll ask you to access your photos, of course, all photos. So when you open this app for the first time, it will immediately prompt you to open your photos library. So I can just select a few photos to combine. Let's just select these 3 photos. I tap down, and it will give you a quick preview of the selected photos, and tap next. You can combine them side by side. Let's select this one. So you see the photos are combined. You can also add the photos. Let me just you can draw. Go back, and then let's confirm. Okay, can share them to. Let's just tap save. Save to Photos app. Save image. Okay, let me open the Photos app. It's here. Well, you can also combine them vertically. This is it. Confirm. Save image. It's here. There is also a collage option. So let's just select these photos. Any a few templates you can choose. Let me select 4 photos, and you get automatically this templates. Well, this is a premium feature. Now let me show you the premium features. Let's just select a few photos, like select 3 or 4, or as many as you want. It will give you these templates. And let me just select this one. So you can get some adjustment for the images. Let's down. Let's just you can also change the layout and background images. Background color. What is shape? Frames. You can also add some text. stickers. Okay, let's tap save. Let me open the Photos app, see how it will look. Here is it. Okay, the combined images side by side and vertically this feature is totally free, and if you want to get the premium features, you can get a 15 free trials. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. Regarding this app, you can go to the website, the official website here, and you can find their social media info here, and you can also send them a contact message. So or you can also send an email to this mail address. Okay, that's pretty much it. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.